Jesus.
Well, I like the fact that when it seems like he's running out of material and they have no more interest in him, he has new things that he can explain about you that you were doing. And that, I think the ice cream's new.
What is an ice cream store?
There is an ice cream story. I wasn't able to really read all of it, but there's some kind of ice cream story he's thrown in now. Kind of like President Trump, you know? Trump gets 2 scoops, everyone else gets 1. I think it's something like that.
I heard that.
Something ridiculous.
I swear I wanted to say that, and I'm talking to space again, but this cutting in line that I get, oh God, man, if I taken some stuff from all the guys about that,
oh yeah,
you know, I mean, Mike Tyson couldn't cut in line in prison. I mean, seriously, who cuts in line in prison, man? You find yourself 6 feet under.
I'm gonna be all red-faced laughing.
Well,
you guys, I may say something publicly after that, but I'm glad I have you on here because Mr. Simpson's always.
I call this parole hearing on Orenthal James Simpson back into order. Are we ready to vote, folks?
Chairman Bisbee, I'll start off. Mr. Simpson, you organized this crime in which 2 victims were robbed at gunpoint. It was a serious crime, and there was no excuse for it. You deserve to be sent to prison. You've been in prison now almost 9 years, the minimum amount imposed by the court. You have complied with the rules of the prison. You have programmed in an acceptable manner. You have no prior conviction of criminal activity. You are low risk to reoffend on our guidelines. You have community support and stable release plans. We've heard from you and from your victim. The question here, as with all parole hearings, is whether or not you have served enough time in prison on this case. Considering all of these factors, my vote is to grant your parole effective when eligible.
thank you.
And I concur with Commissioner Korda and grant parole. And in addition, our decision, although difficult, is fair and just. Commissioner Reynolds.
I concur with Commissioner Korda and agree to grant parole.
Mr. Simpson, before I cast my vote, I want to let you know that we believe that we're a fair board. We believe that we're a consistent board. I will let you know that that consistency also goes to parole. And we do not look kindly upon parole violations. And if I cast my vote to grant and it concludes the hearing, our expectation would be that you not violate even the simplest condition of parole. Having said that, I am prepared to cast a vote. I am prepared to ask the commissioners to set conditions. If that happens, we will produce an order sometime in the next 15 to 20 minutes that will be faxed to you or presented to you at the institution, and it will become a public record. So based on all of that, Mr. Simpson, I do vote to grant parole when eligible, and that will conclude this hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you guys.
Good job.
You're holding up good too, man. All these years. Oh God! Oh.